Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2000 to 2006 Tundra. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's bed. Remove the rivets retaining the leaf spring hanger and push it out of the way. Begin cutting away the bump stop and body mount bracket. Step 3. Clean and grind the frame free of rust and debris. Spray the area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. If you're keeping your body mount, our part features a perforated plate that can be removed to fit around your existing body mount. Place the part onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment, followed by C-clamping the part into place. Weld the part into place around all edges. Finally, paint the part with primer to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Reattach your leaf spring hanger and body mount bracket. The original holes that the leaf spring rivets came out of are going to be higher than the part's holes. This is because of the added material to the outside and bottom of the frame. You must take a die grinder or drill bit to the frame holes to match the holes of the part. Then you're done!